How to make storybooks. Written and illustrated by Roz Asquith. Photographs by Sally Smallwood.
Ideas. First, you need a good idea for your story. Will it be a funny story? Will it be a sad story? Will it be a story about dogs? Will it be a story about cats? Will it be about sport, dancing, or music? Goal! Maybe it will be an adventure story. Or a ghost story. Or a detective story. Perhaps it will be funny and sad and sporty and scary. Planning. When you have your idea, you can start to plan your story. 1. Make a list of the characters who will be in your book. The characters could be animals, pirates, aliens, or they could be you and your friends. It's your choice. 2. Make a list of the things that will happen to them. Characters. 1. Teddy. 2. Horse. 3. Monster. Story. Teddy and Horse find treasure, but there is a monster guarding it. 3. Think of a really good way to start your story. 4. Then think of a really good ending. Once upon a time, there was a teddy. No, a horse. No, a teddy on a horse. They could sail in a boat to look for treasure.
And there could be a monster who looks after the treasure.
How will it end? What shall I call it? 5. Then work out the bits in between. You can change your beginning and your ending later if you want to. 6. Make up a good title for the book so that other people will want to read it. The Hungry Shark. Shark's Lunch. Shark Eats the School. Writing. Now you can start writing your story. Don't worry about making mistakes. What's important is the story you have to tell. You can write it out again later or type it on the computer. If you change your mind about anything, you can. It's your story. I must remember the EA in treasure. Editing. When you have finished your story, read it all the way through. Do you think it's good? Your story's brilliant. I like yours too. You could use this word instead. Yes, that's better. 1. If not, make some changes to it. This is called editing your story. 2. Ask someone else to read your story. Do they think it is good? Oops! I think you mean dog, not pog. 3. Make some more changes. 4. Ask someone else to check your spellings or use a dictionary and check them yourself. Illustrating. Do you want some pictures to go with your story? You can ask a friend to do them. Then you can do the pictures for their story. Swap. Or you can do your own. It's up to you. Now you have your story and your pictures. Covers. What you need next is a good cover. This is very important if you want other children to pick up your storybook and read it. 1. Write the title of your book on the front cover. Then put your name as the author. 2. On the back cover, you should write something about the book. This is called a blurb. Blurb. Harpo is a clever dog. He can talk and sing. A very funny book. Making. When everything is ready, you can make your story into a storybook. You could make it into a zigzag book, a stapled book, a sewn book, or even a funny-shaped book. Sew pages together using a needle and thick wool. Cut out the shape after the book has been stapled or sewn. Your teacher may help you to glue your story into a big book. Enjoying. Now it's story time. Enjoy.